Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful twisted bun hairstyle. To start, I'm going to section off the top of the hair from the end of the eyebrows to the crown and just pin this to the head for later. Then I'm going to run my comb from the top of the head all the way down to just behind the ears on both sides and clip this out of the way again for later on. Now with the remaining hair, I'm going to divide this using a little zigzag pattern in half down the back of the head. And working on the right hand side, I'm going to start creating ponytails. So use your fingers to create a small slice of hair and pop this into a clear elastic band. And I'm just going to continue this way all the way down that right hand side, taking small sections and securing them into ponytails. So you should be left with 4 ponytails at the end. Now we're just going to repeat the same ponytails on the opposite side, so you should have 4 on either side. Take down that top section and I'm going to apply some root powder. I'll pop this in the description below for you, and then I'm just going to give it a little tease just to give it a little bit more volume. Now smooth that top section back and then hold it in between those ponytails at the top and secure with a couple of bobby pins. Then use your fingers to pinch and pull for a little bit more volume and texture. Now with those side sections, I'm going to smooth them back and I'm going to bring them up and over the ponytail and secure them with a bobby pin. Do the same on the opposite side. Now gather all those tail ends in the middle and I'm just going to create a regular 3-strand braid. And then I'm just going to fold it in half and tuck the ends under and just pin this to the head. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's just getting it out of your way. Now I've taken a hair donor and just cut a piece off of it, and I'm just going to roll this up until it's about the same size as that middle section, so where that braid is. Hold it to the head and then using some bobby pins I'm going to secure it all the way round the outside. Next I'm going to turn these ponytails into loops, so I'm just going to take one, fold it in half, holding it at the base, and then I'm going to pop another elastic band joining them all together. And we're just going to repeat this pattern all the way down, so you should have 4 loops on the left hand side and then 4 loops on the right hand side. Now we want to get rid of all the tail ends from those loops, so just twist them, bring them over to the padding and secure them with a few bobby pins. Do this for all of the tail ends from your loops. Now starting on the top 2 loops, I'm going to put my hand through the right hand loop, grab the left loop and pull it all the way through the middle. Then just secure each side with a couple of bobby pins. So I'll show you one more time on this one. Pop your hand through the right loop, pass the left loop to your right hand and pull it through the middle of it, and then hold it to either side of that padding and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to just do the same for the remaining 2 loops. Once you've got all those loops pinned down, just add a few more bobby pins to the middle so everything stays nice and secure. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.